After 3 years ko sa isang virtual assistant agency, magsa-start na ako on Monday with a direct client. O, di ba, ang tagal nun. 3 years, ngayon magde-direct client na tayo. This is the first time that I'm going to have a direct client and I'm very excited. Now, answering yung question niya, nagre-require ba kayo dapat ng upfront payment from your client? Now, this is probably case-to-case basis. If nakuha mo yung client mo via Upwork or OLJ, tapos alam mo yung may confirmed badge sila na payment verified, yung mga ganyan, then pwede kang hindi maghingi ng upfront payment. But if this is someone that probably you got from Facebook, as in talagang wala kang connection sa kanya at all, nahanap ka niya and whatever, it's advisable. Parang hindi mo alam kung may history na ba siya, na nag-pay ba talaga siya. Kasi hindi mo siya kilala at all, hindi siya nirecommend ng friend mo or whatever. Then I really suggest that you get an upfront payment. Maybe it be a full payment or 50% or 20%. Just so alam mo na meron siyang capability to pay for your services. Pero if this client is someone na recommended by a friend or a colleague or somebody within your network, tapos nag-vouch naman yung friend mo na they really do pay, pwede mo naman nang sabihin na wala ng upfront payment. They can pay 15, 30, yung mga ganyan. And also take note that if you are somebody who's looking for a direct client, if walang contract yung client mo, ikaw ang magpo-provide ng contract because you are the one who is providing the service. If your client naman will be the one to provide you with a contract kasi they're hiring you as an independent contractor, always remember that you can negotiate kung ano yung laman ng contract mo or ng contract ng client mo. Kung ano yung mga clauses and terms and conditions na meron ka sa contract mo, you can add on to that sa iyong sa contract ng client mo. Ngayon, paano ka gagawa ng contract? Gumagawa lang ako ng contract sa either ChatGPT or Gemini. I love Gemini now compared kay ChatGPT. Gemini yung AI ng Google. Use that. So yeah, you can use Gemini or meron ding mga sample templates within Google Docs. So you can check that out. Search nyo lang Google Docs templates and then matuturo na kayo paano pumunta doon. I'll create a tutorial for that next. Comment if you want to learn about Google, how to get Google Docs. Meron yan si Bloggy Mary siya. Sa kanya kung nakita yung sa Google Docs, sa kanya ko natutunan yung na dun siya mahahanap. So, just comment if you want me to post that. So, yeah, yun lang. Yun lang naman siya. You can get upfront if wala kang, hindi mo siya kilala at all. And if kilala mo naman siya, merong proof na nagbabayad siya, then you can just continue with whatever payment payment terms meron kayong dalawa. If you want to learn more about freelancing, look for your direct client as an executive virtual assistant, learn more about executive virtual assistants, follow me. We also have a free learning center. Just click the link in my bio. Everything is there. My free, my paid version. So, yep. And if you want free tutorials, also check out my YT channel. Everything will be in the link in my bio.